Here in front of me, I've got a B29 Superfortress from 1945, an American bomber that was responsible for dropping the bombs on Japan. And with that, I mean the atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Not sure if this plane was responsible for dropping the atomic bombs on both cities. Anyways, a terrible event that should never ever happen again because the atomic bomb is devastating. Okay, let's have a look at the package first. So we got a picture of the plane right here and here from the front, from the side. Here's some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it and if you can read it. I think I see a scale right here. So this is scale 1/300. Name of the plane. Yeah, but that's it. And here from the top. And I'm going to show you the reason why I bought this plane, because I think many brands have made this particular plane. But the interesting with this one is that it comes with a model of the atomic bomb. Okay, let's have a look at the plane first. It feels pretty light, and I also feel that this is made out of plastic. Oh, there's still some foam from the package. Okay, these are spinning. It was not that expensive, but I will place a link in the description of where I bought this plane. This wheel doesn't spin. We even have here the place for the machine gun, and also here in the back. Now the wheels aren't spinning. No rolling wheels. The tail. One 300 scale. This is actually my first model in a 1/300 scale. For me, it was better when it was in 144. United States Air Force. Okay, it comes with a display stand. Oh, Fluffy is also here. And then we're going to have a look at the atomic bomb. That is right here. And there is also a small display stand for the atomic bomb. And you can place it like this. Or you can place it like this. Here we go. Yeah, it's a little bit of a cheap plane. Can I do something about that? Let's see. Oh, it also doesn't stay on its place. It can only be placed like this. As long as the display stand is okay. Can we do something about this? Do I have to pull it a little bit behind? Yes, that's it. You have to pull it a little bit back and then it will stay on its place. Voila. This way it looks pretty cool. Hey, lovely. Okay, thanks for watching. And like I said, I will put a link in the description of where I bought it. Please don't forget a thumbs up. You really help me with that. And I'll see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.